ముందుగా ఈ సమావేశానికి విచ్చేసినటువంటి వేదిక పైన ఉన్న ఐదుగురులో నలుగురు మా జిల్లాకు సంబంధించిన వాళ్ళు. జిల్లా వెనుకబడిన జిల్లాగా ప్రఖ్యాతిగాంచింది. కానీ నలుగురు మా జిల్లాకు సంబంధించిన వారు కాబట్టి మాకు చాలా గర్వంగా ఉన్నది. ఈరోజు జూపల్లి కృష్ణారావు గారు ఇండస్ట్రీస్ మినిస్టర్ గా బాధ్యత తీసుకున్నారు. వారు మా విలేజ్ కు మా పక్క కాన్స్టిట్యున్సీ. సో వారికి ఈ యొక్క సభాముఖంగా కొన్ని విషయాలు సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ తో మనం ఏం చేసుకోవాలని ఏమి మనం పొందొచ్చు అనే విషయాలు ఈ సభాముఖంగా తెలియజేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. ముందుగా ఎనీ స్టేట్ డెవలప్మెంట్ కావాలంటే ఇండస్ట్రియలైజేషన్ ఇస్ కంపల్సరీ. ఇండస్ట్రియలైజేషన్ లేకపోతే ఏ స్టేట్ కూడా డెవలప్మెంట్ దిశగా ముందుకు వెళ్ళదు. ఎందుకంటే స్మాల్ స్కేల్ ఇండస్ట్రీ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఈరోజు ఎక్కువ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ జనరేట్ చేస్తున్నది స్మాల్ స్కేల్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. ఆఫ్టర్ అగ్రికల్చర్ దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ MSME sector is giving more employment to the people of the country. Today all India level 60 million people are employed by the MSME sector, and which is giving 8% to the GDP, Indian GDP. The MSME sector is providing 8% GDP. So similarly in the Andhra Pradesh lo 1.2, especially Telangana state, 1.2 million units unte nearly 4 million people ku employment generate chestundi. So ఇటువంటి సెక్టర్ ఈరోజు దేశంలో మనం అందరం అంటే కమింగ్ రాబోయే సంవత్సరాల్లో ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ జనరేషన్ ఇస్ ద మేజర్ టాస్క్ ఫర్ సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ as well as స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్. ఎందుకంటే ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ జనరేషన్ పాపులేషన్ ఎంత పెరుగుతుందో అదేవిధంగా మనం ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ జనరేషన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఎంతైనా ఉంది. సో ఎట్ ప్రజెంట్ ద స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో స్టేట్ జీడీపీకి స్మాల్ సేల్ సెక్టర్ ఏదైతే MSME సెక్టర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో since 2004 it has become a stagnant. It is now only it is giving only 12% to the state GDP. No, it has to be increased to the nearly at least 20-25% if it comes to the GDP. Now we have to take up so many measures for coming to the 20-25% of the GDP, state GDP. So daniki manam central government to different issues paina. So there are many people are stalwarts are there here. I request all of them, whenever they are representing to the central government, they can pursue with the central government with the different issues. So mainly first I wanted to bring to the notice of the minister is at present the definition of the MSME, micro, small scale, medium scale. The definition itself is it has been done in the 2000 when the MSME Act is passed. During that time the limit has been fixed. For micro enterprises at present is up to 25 lakhs investment on the plant and machinery is there, and small scale industry 25 lakhs to 5 crores is there, and medium scale industry 5 crores to 10 crores. That has to be, I request the honorable minister whenever he is representing the central government, because now the policy is MSME policy is going to be framed. So I request the minister to pursue with the central government to make it the micro industry up to 1 crore, because it has been made since 14 years back. So now it is the time to make time has come for the increase in this thing, and the small scale industry has to be increased from 1 crore to 10 crores, and this one medium scale industry from 10 crores to 25 crores. And also I request the minister, at present the central government central excise duty exemption is there for 1.5 crores for the small scale industry. That has to be increased to 3 crores small scale industry exemption to, for the excise duty is concerned. And at the same time 4 crores turnover got in that small scale exemption, small scale industry exemption, the turnover got in the అటువంటిది it should be increased to 6 crores. అది సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ బడ్జెట్ లో ప్రపోజల్ లో ఏదైతే సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ కు రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్న స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ them to represent. And another important issue is GST is going to be introduced. Now commercial tax minister is there. I request the commercial tax minister. GST is going to be introduced, and there is no this thing is there for small scale industry in the GST. When the bill is introducing, there will not be any small scale exemption is not there for the small scale industry. At present the central excise duty is there up to 1.5 crores. In the new GST, there will not be any exemption is there for the small scale industry. I request the honorable minister, whenever he is meeting with whenever they are forming the GST, I request them to pursue with the central government. Another important thing is, now the GST once introduced, they are going to put up the 24% of the GST. But at present we are paying only 12.36 is the excise duty, and 2% is the central sales tax, and 5% is the VAT. But whereas the central government is proposing the 24%. 24% is very high, this thing. The 5% is the CST they are considering, 5% is the VAT is they are considering, another 12.36 and service tax. Total put together it is going to be 24%. This is going to be very big. Now again the same problem will come, what if the number 2 business will start going up with this thing. So it will increase that, because 24% nobody is ready to pay the. Now these are the two important issues are there. Another thing is procurement policy, which is because the PSUs and other this thing, they should buy the 20% from the small scale industry, whereas if you see that this thing 5% only people are buying, 5%, not even less than 5% from the small scale industry. The PSUs, government institutions are buying only for less than 5%. So that has to be, the ministers have to look into that. Another important issues are there. Banking policy, free trade agreements. Free trade agreements, because others will speak on the free trade agreements. There are 30 free trade agreements are negotiated with the central government because of the GATT and WTO, which is going to affect the small scale industry. Because lot of the materials from China, other countries are coming to India, which is affecting the small scale industry, especially manufacturing industry. This free trade agreements has to be reviewed. This has to be, because it's a central government issue, but state also can pursue with the central government, because this is because of the small scale industry is facing a problem. This free trade agreement must be reviewed so that the small scale industry can be benefited. So thank you very much by providing this opportunity by the association. Thank you very much.